saying
तुम्ही तिथं जाऊ तुमच्या जागेवर मी
importance
जातो.
of river.
हां आणि तिथं लिहा वर. त्यांचं आहे का बघा पहिले तिथं चौथा आहे का नाही
Hello
त्यांचं बघावं
everyone,
लागतं.
my name is Prarthana Santosh Gule. Today I want to talk about you something very important, river in India. India is a beautiful country and our rivers are like its blood vessels. They give us so much. First, rivers give us water to drink. We need clean waters to stay healthy and strong. And rivers are main source. Second, rivers help our farm grow foods. Rivers like Ganga and Yamuna irrigate fields so we can get rice, wheat, vegetables to eat. No rivers, no food. Third, rivers are also home of fish and other animals. They give importance for nature. Finally, rivers have a special place in our heart and cultures. We celebrate them and consider them holy. We must keep our rivers clean. Please do not throw garbage in them. Let's promise to protect this precious gift of nature so they can continue to help
सरला
us
सांगा
all.
चौथं
Thank
मॅडमचं
you.
पिरियड आहे म्हणून मॅडमचं पिरियड आहे म्हणून चौथं पिरियड मॅडमचं आहे म्हणून सांगा त्यांना.
Thank you, Prarthana. Now I would like to